What's popping, y'all? It's your girl Amber, so I'm back with another video. So I haven't been running the camera in a little bit. I know I'm kind of saying that in a few of my videos lately, but like I said, I'm gonna get better at posting these videos in a reasonable time frame, so they're not too far apart. But yeah, you guys, I have on this ombre orange lace front wig here. I didn't record how I put on the lace, but I promise you guys the next time I do put this on or do another lace video, I will show you guys how I put it on. But yeah, I want to put some curls in this girl right here because I've been wearing it straight, and I don't know if y'all know, but this is synthetic hair. This is supposed to be like a high quality synthetic hair. It gets kinky, not kinky, crinkly kind of fast. So, and this was on being wet. So I was like, okay, let me put some waves in this hair. I'm going to show you everything that I use to get this hair wavy. So right now, this is the before video. I'm not going to talk too much in this video because I want to get to the point. But yeah, let me show you guys where I got this hair from. So the vendor is off of Amazon where I got it, but the brand is Armika, your lace wig manufacturer. Can't remember. It came with the wig, a cap. I think that was it. The wig and a cap. It has 3 combs attached to it. One here, and one in the back. And it has the adjustable straps. I just recently undid my adjustable straps because it was a little bit tight. It is very snug. So I will say that that's good. And I got a big head, so yeah. The width of the lace was actually pretty full. It was actually longer than what my hairline actually was. I had to cut extra off. It did come in this color, but I'm just going to show you guys what I do to get it to where I want it. So yeah. Oh yeah, also you guys, if you guys want to contact them, here's their contact information. Oh, I'll also link it in the description box. So I'm gonna just get into this video and yeah. fluffy. It's full. I mean, it was full before, but it's no longer like flat looking, because I really don't like flat hair. The waves, the curls are popping, y'all. Like this is what I'm talking about. So yeah, I'm going to do an update on like a couple of days, see like how these curls last, if they want to get matted up or whatever. Matted, y'all know what I'm trying to say. But yeah, this is the finished look. Tell me what you guys think. You think it came out great? I think it came out fabulous. Like, yes. And I love the orange on my skin tone. Yeah, I'm about to just put on a little bit of eyeshadow, some eyeliner, some lipstick, and call it a day. And I'm about to get to work. So you guys, thank you for watching this video. Be sure to comment down below and like this video. Subscribe to my channel so you guys will be on my team, on the Ambertopia team. Whatever. I will list all my social media down below in the description box for you guys. But yeah, I gotta get ready for work. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.